What's up guys, welcome to BigDawsTv. We're going to feed the homeless today and hopefully inspire you to give back in some way. Can I get 3 footlongs, 1 ham, 1 turkey, and 1 salami? Chicken burrito, a steak burrito, and a barbacoa burrito. 4 large pizzas, 2 pepperoni, 2 cheese. There you go. God bless you too. Happy holidays. Really?
Yeah.
I'm glad I could do that for you. Are you hungry?
Always home.
Here you go.
Thank you. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
You too, thank you.
Yeah, I'll take care of it.
All right, yeah, you might want to heat that up, but Merry Christmas, man.
Yeah, Merry Christmas to you too, man.
Take it easy. Santa. See you later.
Cool.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Burrito. You want the burrito?
Maybe they're mine.
Yeah, go ahead.
God bless you.
Look good?
Yeah, that's good.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey man. Good. You hungry?
Yeah.
I got some pizza. I got some pizza here for you.
Cool.
I don't know. Maybe you like it. Old cheese? Is that okay?
That's perfect.
Oh yeah. There you go. It's all yours.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Sir.
High five.
God bless you.
God bless you too. Yeah.
Nice hat.
Yeah. Thank you. Have a good day.
God bless you.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah. Happy holidays.
Hey, we're not going out and just giving just to look good on our part, but we're trying to inspire you. Shut up! Do something good for the holidays. Be a nice, shut up! Be a nice person. That's what the holidays is all about. That was good.